This is how to make my slow-cooked pork roast with cannellini beans and spinach. It's from my book Tasteful, Flavours in Food to Share with Style at Your Table, and it's from the winter chapter. You'll need a 1.5 to 2 kilo piece of pork neck. Season it and brown it on both sides in a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in a large casserole dish. Then add 1 finely chopped onion, 1 large stalk of celery and the leaves that have also been chopped, and 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Distribute it evenly around the meat and saute it for a couple of minutes till it's softened. Now to add the wine. You need 1 cup of wine, 400 gram can of peeled tomatoes, and a 400 gram can of cannellini beans which has been drained and rinsed. Break up the tomatoes with a spoon, bring it to the simmer, and then cover it. Bake it at 150 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Remove the meat and rest it covered in foil. Meanwhile, add a tablespoon of sage leaves to the pan and boil down until reduced by half. Season to taste and mix in 100 grams of baby spinach leaves and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Carve the pork into slices, spoon over the sauce and garnish.